This may surprise some of you out there. We are not required to use real estate attorneys when purchasing a residential property here in the state of Arizona. Typically, escrow and title companies handle many of the legal aspects that otherwise get taken care of by attorneys in other states. So escrow companies make sure the property is free of liens, prepare closing documents, and they make sure that the transaction complies with the contract and other applicable laws. Second reason we don't see a lot of real estate attorneys being used is because we have very standardized documents. We have the Arizona Association of Realtors form for purchasing a residential property. Those are very easy to understand forms. Third reason, real estate agents are allowed to provide quite a lot of guidance here in our state. They take continuing education courses. They're very well educated and knowledgeable about the procedural steps and how to follow them correctly. The fourth reason we don't use attorneys here is because there's no formal statute that requires them. Without that statute, you don't need them. Although hiring a real estate attorney is not necessary, there are a couple instances in which you may want to hire a real estate attorney for your home purchase. If you're purchasing a foreclosure property or a short sale, if there are unusual clauses, might be a good idea. If you're dealing with complicated legal issues like a title dispute, a boundary dispute, or contract terms that you just don't quite understand, not a bad idea there. If you need legal advice on a real estate investment like the tax implications or setting up an LLC, again, might not be a bad idea to use a real estate attorney in those instances.